Are you settled into the clock? Are you on Australia time?
I am on Australian time.
Okay.
I think it's currently like 7 o'clock in the morning here. My name's Jackson Fairlie. I'm from Melbourne, Australia, and I've been studying at the Northland Street School. And I've
Cute.
had to return. School was closed on the 12th. I probably had a week to decide whether I wanted to stay here or stay in Boston or leave and go home. So a couple of days after making my decision, I got access to the building, grabbed all my tools, or everything that would fit in my 2 suitcases, and left. Even with the tools, I was like, all right, what tools do I like really need? And like that sort of went through my mind. And then in the end, I was like, screw it, I'm just putting everything in suitcases, and anything that is too heavy, I'll ship back because I've worked too hard to just leave everything behind,
Yeah.
type thing.
And
So
clothes you can replace,
right, yeah. I joined the cabinet and furniture making meeting about 5-6 hours ago, and it was so weird seeing my instructors and all the students up, and we're chatting like it's just like class time. But there's a
Oh,
strange feeling about it. It's one thing reading articles and watching videos from fun woodworking, which is great, but to have Dan or Steve do like a carving demo, or Lance give a Lance lecture
right.
on Thursday. So I came from an environment where I was just making and being very productive with my time. And all of a sudden, within a matter of weeks or so, I'm stuck at home, not with, no workbench, no machinery, no project. One thing I might add is it's in this short period of time, I've sort of realized that I'm like, oh, all right, so I got to sort of grow up and start making furniture and turn it into a business now. I'd planned that I was going to do all this stuff before coming back home
Mm-hmm.
so that I could my business could propel and, could hit the ground running. But it's all of a sudden you get thrown into this chaotic state and you're like, all right, what am I going to do? I'm going to make things work and, you
Right.
know,
You didn't have
um,
the grace period that you needed to get from point A to point B.
right. It's like, all right, you just got to just do it now. But,
Mhm.
it's all part of it. Makes it entertaining.
Thank you so much.
No worries. It's great talking to you.
Yeah, you too. It's great to see you, and I will
Yeah.
hope to talk to you again soon.